Okay guys, so I'm back and I have this beautiful natural sunblock with shea butter, lavender essential oil, vitamin E. It smells so amazing. And now I'm just pouring it into my containers. It is so creamy and hydrating and completely natural. It's just so amazing. I love it. So I'm just pouring that right in. I did a double boiler, heating up the beeswax, the coconut oil, the shea butter, and then at the end I add in the essential oils and the zinc oxide. It gets a little bit messy, but that's okay. So this is still giving me more, which is great. And I like these containers when you're traveling. So I'm here in my Mexican town in Los 14, San Luis Potosí. And it's just a really nice, quiet, quaint nature town in the mountains. It's below a tourist town called Real de 14, where they have horses and jeep rides and pilgrimages to sacred mountain sites. It's desert mountain climate here. So I have enough to make, I think, one or two more. So these are the recipientes that I'm using. And we'll just pour that right in. And we still have more. So I guess I'll just use one of my older containers. And this will be mine for the house. And that's it. We've got sunblock. So I got 1, 2,